Well, howdy folks, my name's Strip and I'll be taking you down the Valley Tour. Maybe I always say something like
one day, somebody met us.
As there are two lines.
How's everybody doing tonight? You have fun? Alright. None of you were planning on actually think fantastic, were you?
Mine is original.
Well, therefore, one time, they just went right to the DVD. Service where you have to listen to the recording.
All the way up on that side. Alright. Just waiting for some more victims here. Some more victims. Visitors. Visitors. One of the B words. Yeah, I'm seeing our center boxes here, our VIP boxes. I've never personally sat on before, but I've heard they're great. That's right, VIP. Stands for View is Pathetic. Perfect. Perfect. Just slide all the way up on our sacrificial altar there.
That's where the sacrifice.
Now, once we get to the volcano, we'll have a very nice ceremony for you.
Thank you.
Fortunately, you only see half of it. Only half. You'll miss the fireworks, confetti, dancing, all the good stuff.
That's not fun.
Well, no. Probably note there's no volcanoes around here. All right, we're out of here like two bad LA football teams. Turn around, wave by the people back on the dock. I'm Brian. I'll be your skipper for the next 3-hour tour, or as far as we get, whichever comes first. Well, you're probably wondering what all this moisture is. I hate to break it to you. There's a family of monkeys living above us. Well, I have a question for you. Do you want to see danger?
Yes.
Do you want to see danger?
Yes.
That's only like 5 people. Do you want to see danger?
Yes.
That's about 6, but all right. You wanted to see danger. Now, up over here on the right is, yeah, Indiana Jones without a line. I guess Indy let that big boulder roll over some people at the very end. Yeah. Most of the time he's pretty good with it, but every now and then he just lets it slip. Now, up over here on the left, you're going to see a Bengal tiger. He is guarding the world's largest animal cookie. There in the center, she's on the back there. Her roots are showing. These 2 crocodiles are so old they don't move anymore. There's Ganesha, the elephant goddess. Bob. I was wondering, what about Bob? I don't know, it's just Bob. They're here. They're there. Oh no. Look out. They're everywhere. Mr. Fantastic preview. And the shower, that's Bertha. Always in the shower. One very clean outfit. Very clean. Oh, just in the water up here on the right. A rock, hippo, rhino, zebra, giraffe. What is that? Oh, it's an elephant. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Anyway, moving on. Oh, look, I just gotta go. Get down, get down, get down. Get down, get down. Get down, get down, John Cruz. We just entered banana country, so keep your eyes peeled. Oh, look on the left, folks. Look on the left. Those are plants. Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, look at the gorillas. Now, the last time I came by her, they had a really hard time getting that Jeep to start. Looks like they finally got it to turn over. More ways than one. Well, I should have told you this earlier, but I didn't. If someone falls out of the boat, please inform me right away. Then I'll throw them a bar of soap. That way they can wash ashore. There's a gorilla with one really long arm and one short one. Truly amazing. Amazes me every 10 minutes when I go by her. There's beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Yes, this is a preview of the Fantasy Water Show. You can go see it at Disneyland Hotel. He just turned down the Nile. It was way too loud. Just turn it down. Now, up over there on the left, that's a very rare African elephant. Very, very rare. In case you have a really, really short memory, up here on the right, there's a very rare African elephant. Very, very rare. And we're in the African belt, so I'll point some of the animals out. There's some here. There. Some over there. Some everywhere. Oh, and look at the lions. They're protecting that sleeping zebra. Oh, he sure looks dead. Tired. Dead tired, just lying around. Oh, well, look, here's that loss of farm I heard about. You know, it looks like they got caught up in some local uprising. Pretty sure that rhino will get his point across in the end. Well, as they say, safari, so goody. So let's move on. Oh, we're having a very dangerous symbol pool. Last week, these symbols on 5 of our modes. Don't worry, only 4 were mine. Only 4. Only dangerous when they wiggle their ears, go back down in the water, and start blowing bubbles. That's exactly what they're doing. Oh, look out left, he's gonna charge a boat, he's gonna charge a boat, but you know, he's gonna try to see how he can afford it. Oh, give him some credit for trying, though. Alright, a maxed out Nacho. Uh-oh, just entered headhunter country. Really bad place to be headed. See, look, sculpture. Sculpture. Well, as we pass by this native village, keep a sharp eye out for ambushes and other dangerous plants. Uh-oh. There's noise up here on the left. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh, folks, get down, get down, get down. If you got hit by a spear, pull it out and throw it back. We're not allowed to keep any souvenirs. After all, we wouldn't want to be stuck with it for the rest of the tour. And now, for one, the only, the eighth wonder world, the magnificent pickle lock for Mr. Fitness. The vast side water. You didn't like that. All right, turn around. Look behind you. Look behind you. Absolutely not bathed. And now to be very careful in getting you through these jagged rocks. If we're hitting one of the rocks, we would sink. That would be terrible. Know how to be very careful not looking where I'm going. You don't care, do you? Well, if you don't care, then my name is Jimmy Crack Corn, and you know the rest. There's a python sitting in a tree, H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Then do not get too close to her. She might develop a crush on you. Rather constricting. Not something you want to go wrapped up in. After all, you don't want to be mermaid squeezed. Nope. Well, there's Trader Sam. He's our head salesman of the jungle. Business has been shrinking lately, as you can tell, so he's offering a 2-for-1 special. Still, they search for just one of yours. You can take him up on that wonderful offer. I do think you'll come out ahead. I was there last night at Sam's house and said, Sam, your wife makes a terrific stew. He said, well, yeah, I know, but I'm really going to miss her. That's the address to write to if you have any complaints. There's a wall. I'd like to thank my legs for supporting me all these years, my arms always being by my side, my fingers and toes. I can always count them when I need them. Keep your hands and arms inside the boat, folks. Got this stuff between our dock and the boat. It would really scratch up our dock. We don't want to scratch our dock. Okay, folks, that's the tow cruise. That's it. Get out. That was rude. It was rude. Get out. Stay on the water side, which side furthest away from the dock. Stand up, turn around, use that back door. Ladies, you're going out the wrong door. Yes, you're going out the wrong door. You don't care. Use that back door if you're on this side of the boat, water side. Dock side, center box is front door. Wonderful night here at this mystical, magical place I love to call work. Yay, work. Woo! Remember, the 9:35 fireworks are at 9:35. And the 9 o'clock Phantasmic is at 9 o'clock. This has been a recording.
I thought it was